Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how to fix the error. Uploaded photos, videos, or files from Telegram are not displayed on your iPhone. Please, friends, don't forget to put your likes under the video. Be sure to write your comments after watching, and also subscribe to our channel. And let's get started. If you have such a situation that you download any media files or documents to your phone from Telegram, but then you cannot find them neither in the Files folder nor in your gallery, then in this video I will show you some methods how you can fix these situations. So, first of all, please open the settings on your phone. Then you'll need to go to your Apple ID, click on your name at the top, then select iCloud, then click See All. Here you'll need to scroll down and find Telegram. Next, you will need to make sure that this button next to Telegram is active. If it is off, as I have it at the moment, just activate it. Now go back to the settings. Go to General, then scroll down a little bit and select this option. Then also scroll down and find Telegram here in this list. And make sure it's active and the button is on. After you do these manipulations, try to save something from Telegram. And if it didn't help you, then let's go to the settings of the application itself. So, open Telegram, go to Settings at the bottom, and then select Data and Storage. Then you need to find this option, Auto Save Media, and then at the bottom you need to find this option, Reset Auto Save Settings. Then click on it. As you can see, I don't have this option active at the moment. If you have it active, click on it and confirm your actions, so that you can duplicate your auto save in the settings. After that, make sure to go to Wi-Fi and mobile network settings and make sure that you have everywhere in all the items, which are photos, videos, files, and histories, that everywhere you have everything active, as I have. And it's important to do that in both your mobile network settings and your Wi-Fi settings. After that, try to save something from Telegram. If that didn't help either, then you'll need to reinstall the Telegram app. To do this, go to the settings on your iPhone. Select General. Now select your iPhone's memory. Find the Telegram app. Open it. Next, you will need to tap right here so that you can uninstall the Telegram app and clear it. Once that is done, you will need to tap Next to install the app. This reinstallation of the Telegram app will help. First, update the app to the latest version. Also delete all unnecessary and corrupted files. All catch after it is done. All the errors in the Telegram app will have to be fixed. And you don't have to worry about any of your data being lost. During this reinstallation, all your data, all correspondence and contacts saved. It's just cleaning up Telegram itself. Friends, these are the methods you can fix the error if downloaded files from Telegram are not displayed on your iPhone. I really hope, friends, that this video was helpful and useful for you. Please don't forget to put your likes, write comments, and subscribe to our channel. See you soon.